Well, hello everybody, it's John back again with another Lightroom tutorial. What I'm looking to do in this tutorial is to quickly cover creating a preset suitable for using when you're importing images, but also it'll show you how you can create a preset that you can then use again and again and again if you have a lot of photographs taken under similar conditions. So I'm going to start off in the library module here because I want to choose an image. It really doesn't matter which image that we choose. Let's just choose this one here, because all I want to do on this photo is to set up a couple of presets that I always apply. So I'm going to always apply remove chromatic aberration, and I'm always going to add a bit of clarity to it. Now I've made a lot of other changes to this photo. It's not a particularly great photo, certainly not one that I would put in, but it's going to be suitable for me to create a preset. So to create a preset, we just make sure in the develop module that we have the presets panel open. We click on the little plus next to it which says create new preset. What will happen is by default everything in here will be checked, and all I want to do in this preset, which I want to use purely for importing when I'm importing images, is choose clarity. I want to be able to choose remove chromatic aberration, and I'll need the process version to make sure it gets applied in the right way to the right photos. So I'm going to clear all of the options that we've got checked here by clicking on the check none button, and then I'm only going to check the buttons or the features that I want to apply, making sure that process version is one of those which is checked. So I want clarity and I want chromatic aberration. So when I import photos, I can apply this preset as part of my import routine, and these settings will automatically get applied. So let's just create this preset. We'll call this import preset. Just make sure we've got space in there. That's it. It's going to go into my user presets folder. We could actually choose any of these other ones. We could create a new folder if we want to, but I'm going to use the user presets. That will be fine. Just click on create, and down here under user presets we have my import preset, and we can actually create presets for a lot of other things. So if we had a lot of photos taken at the same place under the same conditions, perhaps if we're doing a time lapse or something like that, then what we might want to do is to copy over a lot of these other things. Now an important thing to know is that presets are not additive for the same things. So if I created another preset which also had clarity and chromatic aberration checked, but also then did something with color and perhaps highlights, and I apply my newly created preset first and then this preset which has all of these other things checked, then the first preset that I've applied, because it's changing the same two things, will get overwritten. So if we did something with contrast and highlights, perhaps saturation, and we create this as my untitled preset. So if I did my import preset first and then I applied the untitled preset, then what would happen is that only the values from the untitled preset would be applied. But by unchecking the other things in there, then I can actually stack up presets and it won't overwrite those things it's not supposed to. So anyway, that's all that I want to talk about in this video. In the next one we'll look at importing images. Thank you for watching.